I just want to share this project that I'm doing right now in my shop real quick before I head out. I really am about to head out, but I had promised that I was going to do these guitars because my granddaughter's birthday party is tomorrow and she's having a Barbie pop star. She thinks she's Barbie. I am supposed to glitter these little tiny guitars. Are these not so cute? So she thinks she's Barbie, and she is a, Terry, I'm gonna tell you, she's a she watches the Barbie, it's not Barbie Rockstar, it's Barbie Pop Star. And she's got this Barbie Pop Star outfit that she's wearing. I think she's having microphone cupcakes. And these are some of the little party favors. And Haley picked these up, I believe, at the dollar store. They came on this. They don't have a tag, but I don't think she got them at Party City. I think she got them at the dollar store. They came on these. So I think they were like $1. Or maybe they were at that store where it's like $3. I don't know, but anyway. They look like this. They came in a couple different colors like this, but they're quite boring. So I'm glittering them for her, and they're like one of the little favors that the kids get to take home. So look, my glitter is not dry. I'm Mod Podging. I'm just using Mod Podge and a brush, and I'm just brushing it on. I'll do one with you guys in a second, but look, here's a silver one. Oh, look at all that extra stuff. So it's the first layer is drying. I let it dry and then I kind of tap it off because I glitter a lot of things. I glitter a lot of stuff. I did a black one. Can you see the black glitter? Isn't that pretty? Black and silver. And look, this one's gold. Oh, so pretty. And then this one's like a charcoal. It's like black and silver mixed. I know. Aren't they so cute? They're adorable, y'all. Look, I mean, they sound terrible. They don't sound good, but I think the kids will love them. They make me feel like Tiny Tim. Do you even know who Tiny Tim is? This is what I do. I'm just dipping my Mod Podge in there, and I am just putting it on like this. I'm just following the line of the guitar all the way around. I'm even going right on the strings and just following it around like this. It just was too fun. I'm out here by myself going, oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is cute. And she's a super girly girl, and I didn't get to help with this party because I've just had too much going on. And I was like, I can do that. I can glitter the guitars. I want to glitter the guitars. So that's it. I just put my Mod Podge on like that. See it up close? See? That's what it looks like. Let's do this one turquoise. So then I'm just sprinkling, can you see? Then I'm just sprinkling, oh, holy moly. This one didn't have a little shake spout, this glitter. Some of the glitter is super chunky. This one's just like a standard one. And that black charcoal stuff was that stuff they call glitter dust. Ooh, how cute is that? I don't have hot pink glitter, which is kind of a bummer because she really wanted hot pink. That's not gonna happen because I'm not going to the store. Look how cute. Look. Oh, lots of glitter. I'm gonna have lots of glitter on me. Aren't they cute? I think this is so, oh my gosh. I just dumped my glitter jar over. I just dumped it over. Darling, aren't they darling? They're so darling. I'm trying to decide which one I like the best. I think I'm gonna do, I have 2 left, so I think I'm gonna do another silver and another gold. This silver is super chunky. Can y'all see it? It's more like confetti. I mean, it's like the size of confetti. It's super chunky. So did y'all know Modge Podge has a spray now? I don't know if that's old news. I'm not a real super crafty person. I craft in my whimsical tree group, but that's kind of new to me. I've been so lost in the furniture painting world that I don't craft that often anymore. Okay, so I did that one in silver. I'm gonna do one more gold. So I'm gonna do another gold. Can you see? Shaking. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna go run errands, let this dry, and I'll come back and I'll put on one more coat of the glue of the Mod Podge, and I'll put another layer of the glitter on, and I'll let that dry, and then I'll just spray them down with the sealer, and they now have glitter guitars. Isn't that cute? It's kind of sad there's only one of this color, and it really should be hot pink. Harlow's probably gonna be disappointed, but oh well. Oh well, right? I've had a black guitar forever, a big black guitar. I use it as a lot of props. I use it in a lot of my photos as a prop. Y'all have probably seen it. I don't play that thing. I play the piano, the piano, but I don't play the guitar. Harlow's daddy does though, and his aunts and her other grandma. I've always thought that was a broken one that Matt glued back together for me, that big one. I always thought I would paint it, but then I leave it black and I can use it in so many. I should glitter it. I should just glitter it black, just like this. Or maybe I should glitter it this charcoal, and then I could use it in all my photos like that. It would still be black, but it would have this look. I might have to do that. This might just be part of why I did this, to inspire me to glitter my own guitar that I don't play. And that is all I wanted to tell you, was that I was glittering guitars, and it was a lot of fun. We'll talk to y'all soon. Bye. A pop star maybe is more glitz and glam and cute, and a pop star could be maybe a little more rough. I don't know. But how can a 3-year-old be rough? I think a rock star is fine.